Hey, what's going on? PJ here. Trying out the new GoPro head mount I got. Fortunately, it just started to sprinkle, and I got a tree hanging over the driveway. And this is smudged up, so that probably looks awful. There we go. I gotta back up the car, get out of the way. Try to get the Toyota over here with a flat tire so I can put some air in it and run down the hill. And hook a strap to the tree and pull it out of the driveway so it's easier to get up and down to the house, because we got two options, but one's a little rougher than the other because I haven't had a chance to fix it. So I'm gonna see how this old head mount thing works and looks. Might post it up, but I don't know. We'll see. Spider webs everywhere. I don't even know if this thing's gonna crank open. Let's see. Oh yeah. Damn it. Stupid junk. Definitely got to spray off this windshield. We're in low. Now just low too. My rig up trying to hold the valve stem in place so it don't leak so bad. It doesn't crack. As you can see, it doesn't work for very long. Trying to find a used set of 35 to throw on this thing, so I ain't gotta keep worrying about this crap. That's the new valve stems and a set of rims I got on the sitting over there by the box truck. These are 15 by 8s with 32 1150s, and I got 15 9x10s over there with 33s on them, but they're just as bad as these are. Won't hold air. Perfect, but I can see hopefully it starts, so I don't have to roll it. Alright, let's see. I don't exactly see how I'm going to get to the main part of the tree without cutting stuff up. Oh, there it is right there. We might be able to get to it. I don't know if this is the main part of the tree, but it's definitely something to grab a hold to. Might have to end up dragging it down that way and then trying to find my way out down there later. Definitely gonna have to go down through the bushes. Hopefully nothing pops a tire, no stobs or nothing sticking up. Cut it off. Low gear. Whew. Man, it's hot. So muggy. come undone on its own. I just gotta get out of here. Link straight up through the pile, looks good. Haha. Yep, works perfect. And then I'll deal with that mess later. That, good boy. No jumping. Hey. No. And that, my friends, is just a little bit of the day in the life. Stuff you gotta do when you own a house and a little bit of land and stuff happens. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Definitely could use the support. Help me get the channel monetized. So if you don't mind, please do so. Thank you.